Engineer Qazi Mohammad Faizan, Manager Energy Conservation Department, KESC, Karachi Electric Supply Company. KESC is one of the leading electricity supplier in this territory. Recently, we have completed our 100 years. This is the first time in the history of Pakistan that KESC took the bold initiative in all the discourse of the Pakistan that we have started a separate department, energy conservation. This department is the only department that is talking about the energy conservation. We can say that KESC is the electricity producer. But on the other hand, we are talking about the energy conservation. The reason is the demand and supply gap. We know that the immediate step that we can do for the bridging of the demand and supply gap is to conserve the energy rather to generate the energy. Generation of the energy takes some time, maybe 1 year, maybe 2 years or more. But on the other hand, if you conserve the energy, it can replicate or it can implicate in only just a few minutes. We can get the generation. Energy consumption is directly linked with the global warming. When we consume more, it results in more global warming. So definitely we are talking about the energy conservation. It results in the reduction in the global warming. It not only reducing the resources, the consumption of the resources, but it can also affect in the reduction in the global warming. In context of the global warming, we know that many countries are working on it. This is the major issue of the global, that the global warming effect is increasing day by day, and we can see the effect of global warming, the temperature of the earth increases. Definitely, on account of this basic issue, we are talking about the energy conservation. And on the other hand, we are talking about energy conservation because of the increase in the tariff. We know that the customer's pocket does not allow to increase the tariff more and more. Definitely, they cannot afford the electricity prices. But the major thing to tell about the energy conservation is to reduce the customer bill. And we are working on it. We are telling the customer, we are giving the awareness session to them how to conserve energy. Any query you have, you can contact at www.powertoconserve.com.pk.
I am Abdul Samad from Energy Conservation Department, KESC. I am working as an assistant manager. The thing we want to demonstrate here is the difference between the usage of incandescent bulb, energy saver and LED lights. Initially, the consumers here are using incandescent bulbs. If we compare the wattage of an incandescent bulb, the total consumption of incandescent bulbs is about 746 wattages. The total consumption of energy saver is about 150 watts. So there is a huge difference between the usage of incandescent bulb and energy saver. The incandescent bulb consumes about 746 watts and energy savers consumes about 200 watts. Now the newest technology that we are promoting here is LED lighting system. Now you can see that LED lighting system consumes only 100 watts. So there is a huge difference between 700 watts and 100 watts. Almost 70% of energy saving is possible if we are using LED lighting technology. By demonstrating this, we want the consumers to realize that the energy is very important for us and we have to conserve energy rather than to generate energy. 1 megawatt conservation is more important than 1 megawatt generation. There are three consumers that we are dealing with: the residential consumers, the commercial consumers, and the industrial consumers. Our message is for all of our consumers that you have to conserve energy by using LED lighting technology. Thank you.